Chengdu J10 C is an advanced variant of the J10 fighter aircraft, representing a significant upgrade over its predecessors. Here are some key features and details about the J10 C1. Enhanced avionics. The J10 C is equipped with advanced avionics, including a modern radar system, likely featuring an active electronically scanned array AESA radar. This allows for improved target detection, tracking capabilities, and better performance in electronic warfare. 2. Improved stealth features. The J10 C incorporates design elements aimed at reducing its radar cross-section, enhancing its stealth capabilities. This helps the aircraft avoid detection by enemy radar systems. 3. Engine upgrade. While earlier versions of the J10 used Russian engines, the J10 C is believed to utilize the domestically developed WS-10 engine, which offers improved performance and reliability. 4. Combat capabilities. The J10 C can carry a wider range of modern air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including advanced missile systems. This enhances its multi-role capabilities, allowing it to perform air superiority, ground attack, and close air support missions. 5. Two-seat variant. There is a two-seat variant known as the J10S, used primarily for training purposes. It shares many of the advanced features of the J10 C6. Operational history. The J10C has been actively used by the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAF and has participated in various military exercises and demonstrations, showcasing its capabilities. 7. Export potential. The J10C has attracted attention from foreign nations, and discussions regarding potential exports have taken place, expanding China's influence in the global arms market. Overall, the J10C represents a significant step forward in China's fighter aircraft technology, incorporating modern features and improvements to enhance its operational effectiveness.